Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best upright vacuums that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 10 Best Upright Vacuums. If you're looking for a new vacuum, check out the uprights when you shop. These vacuums outperform canister models on carpets and are much easier to store. Upright vacuums outsell all other types by far. In fact, almost half the vacuums on the market are upright models, according to NPD. The upright vacuum has a design edge over canisters when it comes to carpet cleaning. Number 10. Shark Ion P50 IC162 Lightweight Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful suction for whole home cleaning dirt. Up to 50 minutes of runtime with a removable battery. Main features: 2x dust cup capacity. Anti-allergen complete seal technology. Freestanding upright storage. Number 9. Shark Navigator Upright Vacuum Cleaner ZU561. Uses an upright vacuum for powerful floor and carpet cleaning or for more portability. Detach the canister to go into lift-away mode to easily clean above floor. Main features: anti-allergen complete seal technology. Cord length 25-30 feet. Lightweight design. Number 8. Dyson Upright Vacuum Cleaner Ball Multi-Floor 2. A slimmer design allows the Multi-Floor 2 to turn on a dime, steering easily into difficult spaces. It's ideal for homes with hardwood, tile. Main features: weight 15.6 pounds. Radial root cyclone technology. Maximum reach: 40 feet. Number 7. Shark Apex Upright Vacuum Cleaner AZ1002. The Shark Apex full-sized upright vacuum delivers Shark's ultimate cleaning experience. It grabs large particles, pulls in piles. Main features: dual clean technology. Dust cup capacity 1.5 quarts. Cleaning path width 11 inch. Number 6. Dyson Upright Vacuum Cleaner. It handles tough tasks easily, making it ideal for parents and pet owners. The Ball Animal 2 has an advanced self-adjusting cleaner head that automatically adjusts between carpets and hard floors. Main features: 5-year warranty. Whole machine filtration ensures strongest suction. Number 5. Oreck Commercial XL 2100 RHS Commercial Upright Vacuum Cleaner XL. This versatile upright makes it easy to keep your business clean. It gets up close to cabinets and baseboards and fits easily under most furniture, chairs and desks. Main features: low-profile design. Lightweight. Easy to use. Number 4. Bissell Cleanview Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner 1831. Unlike other vacuums that require you to go over the same floor area multiple times before they vacuum up all of the debris. Main features: lightweight design. Multi-cyclonic suction system. Dirt cup capacity 2 liters. Number 3. Hoover LINX Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner BH50010. The LINX Cordless Stick Vacuum delivers upright performance, low-profile design. Long-lasting battery power and wind tunnel technology make this stick vacuum a standout. Main features: wind tunnel technology. Extreme recline handle. Multi-floor cleaning. Number 2. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional NV356C. This vacuum is also equipped with a completely sealed system and a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens. Main features: powerful and lightweight. Anti-allergen complete seal technology. Dust cup capacity 2.2 quarts. Number 1. Bissell 9595A Cleanview Bagless Vacuum. Bottom easy empty dirt tank and a washable. The premium attachments provide faster and more effective cleaning so you can get on with your day. Main features: lightweight and powerful suction. Cyclonic system for long-lasting. Innovative brush design. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.